Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily turn your photo into a beautiful 2026 calendar design using Pixverse. You don't need any design skill, you can do this on your phone or laptop. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Pixverse. You can access it through the Pixverse website on your browser, or just simply open the Pixverse app on your phone like this, and then once it's open, just log in using your Google account. And don't worry about the payment because will give you a free daily credit, so you can just try this effect without paying anything. And then next, just after logging in, just look for the template sections on the main menu. Just go to template, just tap on it, and then next, just choose or search for the effect that called 2026 player calendar. This one, just tap on it, and then next, just use template. This template is already designed with a modern calendar layout, so you don't need to edit anything manually. And then next, just upload the photo that you want to use. You can choose a portrait photo, personal photo, or a pet photo, just anything that you want to transform. And make sure your photo is clear and valid for the best result. Next, for example, like this. And then next, after uploading the photo, just simply tap on create. It will take 20 credits. Just tap on it and then go back and then go to mine and wait for the process. Okay, like this, your photo is ready. Let's try to look at like this. In just a few moments, Pixverse automatically process your image and turn it into a 2026 calendar designs like this. And honestly, it's so cool. And the image or the result, it looks so cute like this. And okay, maybe that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.